In this video, we are going to look at how to apply superelevation into Civil 3D. Before that, we have to create the superelevation file that need to be imported into Civil 3D. So far, we have imported superelevation. So we have created superelevation diagram from AutoCAD lines. So in your case, you have to create your own line in a piece of paper like I have done in computer. So you have to take a paper and mark these things and mark the changes, and then I will tell you how to import it into Civil 3D. Now I want you to find the superelevation practice CSV file, or it is kind of an Excel file. We have given to you that by email. So first of all, you need to create a copy of that file so that you will have an extra copy with you. We'll copy it and paste it in the same location. So I will edit this copy file so that I have this original one remain as it is. So I have to open this file. Then you have set up columns here. So double click the column so that it expands. So like this, I have to expand all the columns so that you can see every row headings clearly. So first two columns you have, first two rows you have to stay them as it is. We are working with from the third row, or because of the topic row we have the fourth row, we have to edit it first. So this is the theory, how to apply superelevation into this Excel sheet. So we input the superelevation data into Excel sheet and then import that superelevation data into our Civil 3D drawing. So in this exercise, what you have to do is find out all the places where this gradient changes, either this line or this line, whatever it comes. So at this point, your gradient changes to this side. And also one thing I have to note, both these lines are minus 2.5 here, but I can't show both the colors. I have only shown the magenta color for the right side, but this left side also minus 2.5 here. So that is, you have to remember. I think I should have told it earlier, but I forgot, but I have told it now. So first, your superelevation or the gradient changes from here. So up to this point, this is normal crown. So the normal crown ends here. So we call that point end normal crown. So it will be prompted automatically if it is already there. Right. That happens in station 157.27. 157.27. So your left side, only you have to fill this column and this column, others are 0. So your left side is minus 2.5 at this location, and right side also minus 2.5. Then the slope changes at this point. This point is called the reverse crown. So at that point, one side superelevation is not attained in fully because superelevation amplitude develops, so it is not achieved fully. So at this location you have minus 2.5 to this side and minus 2 plus 2.5 to this side. This location is called reverse crown. A reverse crown will only be applied where the superelevation is greater than 2.5. If the superelevation is 2.5, your reverse crown will not be appeared because the reverse crown and full superelevation coincide with each other. So in this case we have a reverse crown that is happening at the 199.27 change. 199.27 change. So that is called reverse crown. At reverse crown, this is your left side. It is plus 2.5 and your right side will be minus 2.5. Left side plus 2.5. Actually we type it just 2.5 or plus, and the right side should be minus 2.5. Then when you come to this point, the gradient changes in both sides. So you call begin full super because the full superelevation begins from here. We call this point begin full super. That point is called begin full super. Note that you should have a space between full and super. That is essential. So that happens in change 220.27. So at 220.27, your left side superelevation is plus 5, right side superelevation is minus 5, left side is plus 5, right side is minus 5. Then you come to end of this curve, so you have a great change here from here. So this is end normal and full super because your full super ends here. So and full super, and it happens in change to 49.91. And superelevations are same as begin full super because you have same full super as this point and this point. Again you encounter reverse crown at this point because it comes to minus 2.5 and it continues, and this continues straight up to this point, but this gradient changes from this point, so we have a reverse crown at this point, minus 2.9 plus 2.5, right, which is minus 2.5, that is plus 2.5, that totals 270.91 change. 270.91 change is a reverse crown. So left side is back 2.5, right side is minus 2.5. Now at the end this becomes to normal crown, that is minus 2.5 both. So from this point onwards your normal crown starts. We call it begin normal crown. Begin normal crown happens 312.91. Your begin normal crown starts. So at begin normal crown, your both sides elevation is minus 2.5. Now from that you go to this side and you have to fill up these two as we did earlier. So here at this point your normal crown ends. So it is end normal crown that occurs at 385.18, and and the superelevation is -2.5 because it is normal ground. Then start superelevating and the superelevation is 2.5, so you don't have a reverse ground in this transition. So plus 2.5 occurs at 427.18. 427.18, your begin full super starts. Super, and the super elevation is, your right side is plus 2.5, left side is minus 2.5. Left side is minus 2.5, right side is plus 2.5. And now at this end we have a reverse crown. So we have three things we have to note. This is end full super because this full super ends here. And we have the level crown here because both superelevation becomes 0. And again superelevation starts from this side, so begin full super. We have end full super, level crown, begin full super. First of all, we have to mark the end full super at 4.49, 499.18. 499.18. We have end full super, that is minus 2.5 to the left and plus 2.5 to the right. Then you have level crown at 520.18. You have level crown. So only superelevation both side is 0 at that point. Then 541.18. Superelevation starts and changes the direction. Your left becomes plus, right becomes minus. So at this point, begin full super. Your left becomes plus and right becomes minus. Then again, you have this one where your tangent is there. So again you have to insert these values. So your end full super will be at this place 606.855, 606.855. That should be end full super. So we will have 2.5 and minus 2.5 respectively for left and right. And your level count should be 627.855. 627.855 you have level count. So both superelevations are 0 there. Then after that 648.855, 648.855 begin, begin super. And in that case you have right side full super, left side normal ground, left side minus full super. So right side plus 2.5, left side minus 2.5. Then you have these values, so you have to find out these values also. I will fill up all these values and come to the end point so that the video is going not too much longer. So now I have put all the values up to end point of this superelevation, the last curve, last and normal, begin normal count point I have found. So finally we have to find out the last station of the alignment. You can easily find out it from this method. You have to select your alignment and right click, go to alignment properties, and in your station control tab you will have the endpoint 1035.88 is the last station. 352 352.88 is your last station. So we go type that one and say then alignment and type this derivation because you have minus 2.5 at that location because you have a straight at the end. If you have a curve at the scenario may be a little bit different, so you have to logically think about it at the end. So now we have completed all the parts. So what we have to do is to fill up the other steps, other blank cells. So just the superelevation region, just put one hole up to the end, and those curve smoothing and left side super it should be 0, and these things all should be 0, and these two holes should be 0 as well. So once you done everything correctly, just click close and save superelevation and just copy and save. Please ask for replacement. You say yes, you have to replace it. Close it. Now what we are going to do is I am trying to import the superelevation values to it to the alignment. So to do that, you click here, and before that you need to explore something else. Here you have a superelevation band in the profile view. So profile view is the issue band, but it is empty. So click the alignment. Here you have superelevation. Click it and go to View Tabular Editor, and this panorama window will appear. You click this button to import superelevation, and again this one to import superelevation to browse the location, and you find your file where you have saved it. Import. So the values will be imported. You will see the plus mark here. So that is a notation that the superelevation is imported. So you close it from here, move it from here. Then you go to superelevation view. You can see some values are appearing here, but no superelevation is appearing. So you type on your keyboard REA, regenerate, that is for regenerate. Then you can see these values appearing as we have drawn here. It automatically appears with the length also. So from this graph you can find if something has gone wrong. So this graph should be going to the wrong direction. So if you have done something wrong in your Excel sheet, you will easily identify that. So that is about superelevation and how to import superelevation into your Civil 3D drawing.